Hello everyone, myself Dr. Loveday Kataria, and in this video we are going to discuss point number stomach 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So let's start. So the first point is stomach 31, known as Baiguan, meaning thigh gauge. So from the name itself you can understand that it's located on the thigh. So let's see how to locate this point. So in order to locate this point, you need to draw a line from the anterior iliac spine to joining with the superior lateral and superior border of the patella bone. So you draw a line and join it, and then what you need to do, you need to come down till the greater trochanter. Okay. Vertically you reach there, and from the horizontal you need to draw a horizontal line from the lower border of the pubic symphysis. So where they meet or they cross, that is the point stomach 31. It may sound a bit difficult to you, so let me tell you an easier way. The easier way is to locate is that you just fold your leg and try to find out a depression near the greater trochanter, okay, and the sartorius muscle. The lateral border of this point lies laterally to the lateral border of the sartorius muscle. So in a depression, you will find a depression there, and that is the stomach 31 point. And this point is very, very important point for the whole leg, okay. So because it is located in the hip region or in the hip bone, so this point is definitely covering this hip bone region. So any problem in the hips or hip bone, so you can choose this point. Then you can also use this point for the treatment of the thigh, the knees, the lower leg and the foot. So stomach channel is basically a Yang-Ming channel. Now Yang-Ming comprises of two channels, stomach channel and the large intestine channel. So now these are full of energy. Why? Because stomach is the origin of all the fluids and food. It receives all the foods, and that's why it's the origin of all the chi and blood, and that is why it is always full of chi and blood. So what conditions it will treat? So those conditions which lack chi and blood, so this point is going to be wonderful for them. So what are these conditions? Let's see. It could be atrophy, so multiple sclerosis, the cases of multiple sclerosis, or any kind of atrophy cases where the patient is unable to pull the thigh up. So those cases. Then numbness, paralysis, stiffness, painful obstruction syndrome, and even it can treat the whole leg along with the points stomach 36 and stomach 41. So it's a very important point as far as the orthopedic conditions of the leg. Okay, so leg problems are covered by this point single-handedly. So let's move to the next point. It's stomach 32, known as crouching rabbit. So let's see the location first. So in order to locate this point, so from this stomach 31 or from this greater trochanter, so this is a femur bone, this is a thigh bone, and this part is known as a greater trochanter, a bit protruded part. So from this point you have to, and from the superior border of the patella, you have to divide it into the three equal parts. So at the lower third of the part where the middle third and the lower third joins, on this line, that is where the stomach 32 point lies. So here the muscle resembles like a crouching rabbit. It looks like a rabbit, and that is why the name. So the indications are similar to stomach 31, but stomach 31 is a much better point to choose. This can be chosen for any kind of issue in the mid of the thigh as a local point. So let's move to next point, stomach 33, known as yin market. So it's known as why market word is used, because see what happens in market, people come and the material is dispersed. So in similar way, chi and blood gather here and it is dispersed. So hence the name market. And the stomach channel is the, although it's a yang channel, but it's found in the anterior part of the body. Not see, the lateral and the upper part, the back part is yang, the front is the yin, and hence the name yin is taken. So yin market, I hope it's pretty clear from there. Again, this point is more used as a local point. All the indications are similar to that of stomach 31. Now let's move to now how to locate it. Now in order to locate stomach 33, you need to just from stomach 32 you need to go 3 chun downwards, or you just go from superior border of the patella. It will be in the middle of between the superior border of the patella and stomach 32. Okay, so it's 3 chun only from the superior border. Then let's see the stomach 34 point. It's known as Liang Q, known as ridge mound. So the muscle here resembles like a mound, and that is why its name. Okay, so how to locate it? It's just 2 chun above, or it's 1 chun below the stomach 33 point. Now it's a very important point because it's a chi cleft point. So at this point the chi gathers, and this gathering of the chi acts as a reservoir in case of acute conditions, and hence these points are used in acute and excess conditions or painful conditions. So similarly here in case of stomach channel, if there is any kind of acute pain or acute condition as far as channel is concerned, or the organ, stomach organ itself, there is some pain in the stomach region, epigastric region, as we already saw in the point stomach 21. So this point is used as a distal point for the acute conditions. Along with it also subdues the rebellious chi in the stomach. So this point is used as a distal point for such conditions. Because this point is very near to the knee, so hence this point is used to expel dampness from the knee, and it can also treat the problems of knee. Now moving on to the next point is stomach 35, known as UB, meaning calf's nose. So it's very you must be aware of this point, very popular point. It's below the patella bone, that is the knee eye points. 2 points are there. So the lateral, the outer one is known as stomach 35, and the medial one, the inner one, is known as yan. This is the extra point. Okay, so both of these points, as these are located on the knee, so they are used for all the indications for the knee problem, whether it's deficiency, excess, heat, cold, or a painful obstruction syndrome. Okay, so in case of cold painful obstruction, you need to apply moxa at this point as well. So in a nutshell, these points are having a similar kind of indications, but stomach 31, stomach 34, and stomach 35. Now these are the more important points to choose. Thank you.